Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Cuisinart 7-piece Griddle Egg Ring Tray. We were making pancakes the other day, and of course the kids wanted square pancakes. So we got to pull this nifty gadget out for fun and to make a different breakfast. It comes with 7 pieces, basically the base, and also 7 individual rings that go in each of the holes. Without the individual rings, it will give you the square shape. But if you want the circle shape, you can simply place the ring into each of the squares and it will turn it into a circle mold. All 7 pieces are made of 100% silicone and can withstand temperatures up to 600 Fahrenheit. We tried this with pancake batter as well as some scrambled eggs. To use it, you will want to heat up the girdle, add some butter or oil of your choice, and then have this tray on the girdle before you pour the batter in. With the pancake batter being thick, it basically stayed in place inside the mold. When one side is done, we just remove the tray and then we can flip it over and cook the other side. With eggs, since it is much more liquid than the pancake batter, some of the eggs actually started seeping out of the tray. But once it was cooked on one side and it was time to flip it over, it still turned out pretty good. I think this would also be pretty good for sunny side up eggs as well, if you wanted to keep them all in place rather than having the eggs spread all over the pan when you first pour it onto the pan. Overall, it worked pretty good, and the kids were really excited to have different shaped pancakes, not just the boring old circle pancakes. If you're looking for a Griddle egg tray from a reputable brand, look no further, and be sure to take a look at this one.